like to add to the video is now I can actually hear my music with the new windshield. Much more improved, I'll tell you that. Alright, that concludes this little video on the road to work. Riding the Road Glide. I gotta tell you honestly, again, this bike is great. Now, clip has to come off like this, slide it down, and then I can hit my clip here to lift my helmet up. So that is the only thing that's a little screwy using this clip here, but works really well. Another one thing I was going to mention this too with the Road Glide is I had to get used to the signals. So you got left and right signal. That was not like that on my Sportster S. It's not like that on my Honda or my Yamaha either. So this is a kind of an upgrade. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah. All right, into work.